Smokepurpp, aka Lil Purp, aka Omar Pinheiro. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, so if I butchered it, forgive me. Smokepurpp is an American rapper from Miami, Florida. He's what people refer to as a SoundCloud rapper. That's where he found his first major success as a rap artist when he released his song Audi and it went viral in 2017. Smokepurpp also has ties to Lil Pump, and I can see a definite similarity between Lil Pump and Smokepurpp's rap style. From what I've heard of Purpp's music, his style is very aggressive, primal, and has simple flows with an overuse of ad-libs. A lot of the beats that I've heard him rap over have been dark, eerie trap bangers with industrial or distorted sounding instrumentation, featuring a really heavy, fat, distorted bass. Let's get into the cook-up. The first thing I did was I designed this metallic, industrial, distorted sounding pluck type of sound, and then I played this melody. This is what it sounds like dry with no effects. Then I added this EQ to cut the lows and the highs, and I boosted some of the high mids. I added a reverb, and I turned down the dry a little bit past the wet, just to dampen the harshness of the attack. Then I added the half-speed gross beat preset. I layered the main melody with these keys. Here's what it sounds like dry. Then I added this low cut and a high shelf, and it sounds like this. It's not a huge difference, but it makes a bit of a difference in the final mix. I made this 808 pattern. I wanted something a little grimy. I'm gonna boost this in the final beat to make it really overpowering. I made this simple hi-hat pattern. I just filled every 2 steps. Here it is dry. Then I added some effects. I added a low cut. I added a phaser. Ugh. My computer is having a stroke or something. Just a minute.
2 hours later.
All right, I added this phaser preset. I added some reverb, and now it sounds like this. I added this kick, which basically just hits whenever the 808 hits. And lastly, I added this snare. Let's see how the beat sounds all together. Alright, now it's time to write some lyrics. Smokepurpp's lyrics focus on 1. Expensive cars, Ferrari, Audi, etc. 2. Drugs, Xans, perks, lean, ecstasy, etc. 3. Being rich. 4. He'd rather engage in oral sex with random women than have sex with them. This is a similar sentiment that has been expressed by rappers like 6ix9ine and X. I guess there's less chance of STDs and pregnancy and stuff like that, so it's smart, I guess. 5. Lots of ad-libs. All right, let's see what we've come up with.
Smoke on that green, drunk off that lean. Just fucked your bitch, she popped a bean. Pull up the Rari, you looking at me. Fuck I'm the boss. I don't want that pussy, give me jaw. Young, rich, and reckless, the cause. Gucci gang, the motherfucking squad.